This is it, the TRX replacement, the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video with the TRX bowing out. The new 2025 Ram 1500 RHO is now the brand's sportiest offering. It's not a direct TXR replacement. It's a lower price and output, but it will soon sit at the top of the Ram's range with a new sport truck lineup that includes the Rebel, Warlock, and Power Wagon. Now, under the hood of the RHO sits the high output version of Stellantis' Hurricane engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now, the turbocharged 3-liter inline 6 makes 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. Now, the truck will hit 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds and 100 miles per hour in 11.7. The quarter mile passes in 13.1 seconds at 105 miles per hour, and the top speed is 118 miles per hour. But speed isn't the truck's only forte. Underneath the massive wheel arches are Blindston Black Hawk E2 adaptive performance shocks, the same set Ram used on the TRX. They've been retuned for the RHO's weight balance, as the Hurricane engine is about 150 pounds lighter than the Hemi V8. Now, the truck also has forged aluminum front, upper, and lower control arms, retuned spring rates, active performance damping, and other upgrades. It rides 2 inches higher than the rest of the 1500 lineup. Now, behind the transmission sits a Borg-Warner 4813 full-time active transfer case with upgraded internals for improved durability and a low range of 2.641. Now, at the back is Dana 60 rear axle with full floating axle shafts, a rear electronic differential, and an axle hop damper. Now, engineers alter the frame's hardpoints to allow for up to 14 inches of rear axle travel, 1 more inch than before. Now, the RHO has been treated to a high flow induction system with a high capacity radial air filter that engineers made easily accessible for quick field cleaning. It also features a new low restriction exhaust system with true dual pipes that end in 5-inch tips. Now, the RHO is 8 inches wider than the standard 1500 thanks to its big composite fender flares. The flares contain a 6-inch wider track, 18-inch beadlock wheels, and you also have 35-inch tires. Now, Ram gives the truck a unique hood and grille with a bigger flow-through badge. LED headlights, steel bumpers, oversized tow hooks, and skid plates complete the look, while buyers can pick between optional full-length rock rails or powder-coated aluminum running boards. Now, while the RHO looks rough and tough on the outside, the cabin should be a pleasant place to hang out. 12-way power leather seats for the front, and you also have heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Now, aluminum paddle shifters give the drivers control of the potent powertrain, while a custom badge with the VIN and a depiction of a rhino sits on the center console. Now, the RHO comes with up to 3 interior screens. You have a 12.3-inch display that serves as a digital instrument cluster, while a 14.5-inch one is for the infotainment system that runs the 5th generation of Uconnect systems, with a 10.25-inch screen, which is the final screen that sits on the front of the passenger and features an HDMI plug for screen mirroring. Now, even though it's designed to play in the dirt and jump over culverts, well, it can still tow up to 8,380 pounds. Its payload capacity is around 1,520 pounds. And the RHO can also 432 inches of water and has 11.8 inches of ground clearance. Now, you can order the Ram 1500 RHO starting today, where pricing starts at $71,990, including a $1,995 destination charge, and it will join the Ram Sport Trucks lineup alongside the Warlock, Rebel, and Power Wagon in the third quarter of 2024. So with that said, what do you guys think about the new RHO? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.